Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll have a TikTok tutorial for you. And I'll be showing you how to change your profile name on TikTok. So for example, if you have set up your account, but for some reason you want to change your profile name, I'll show you how to do that on your device. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and find the TikTok app. Go ahead and launch. Once you're here, go to your profile. I'm already on my profile. So make sure you're on your profile. So for example, I'm on my profile here. So go ahead. Once you're on your profile, hit edit profile. And once you have edited your profile, you're gonna go here. So notice that you have your username. Tap on the username. And as you can see here, this is the default username. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to choose a new name. All right, so I've chosen this name, which is TikTok Blog Tech Tips. Now, if you notice closely, let's say, for example, I was randomly putting in a name, or let me try something else. Let's say, all right, so you notice you can add variations. Now, sometimes if you're not getting the correct name or your suggestions are not being accepted, do check out the section beneath here. It will make suggestions. So for example, I'll delete this. So let's say I was aiming for tech tips. Notice it's not available. All right. But notice that it does suggest available variations down here. So it says, gives you options. You can scroll through them. So it does give you options. So it can help you to figure out what's best or find an option that will work. But if you look up here, guys, notice that this one is not available. So what I'm going to do is go back to the original. All right, so this is the original one that was accepted, which is okay. So I'm going to use blog tech tips, which is going to be the username here. So this is going to be the TikTok for me. So I'm going to go ahead and save. You can actually follow this. This is actually my TikTok. And there it says, sorry, I'll try to focus. There you go. It says set username. You can change your username once every 30 days. So do note you can change this every 30 days. I'm going to set username. And if you check it out, guys, it says it's saved. Notice it says here blog tech tips. So I'm going to go back and check it out now, guys. Now notice here it does say no blog tech tips, which is what I was aiming for. All right, so I'm going to end the tutorial here. If this was useful, please comment below. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. And bye until next time. Bye.